In this video, I'll be teaching you how to install the St. Paul Parent app. So if you have the older version of St. Paul Parent app, kindly uninstall that. Now go to Play Store. On the search field, type St. Paul Parent app. You will see our icon listed below. Click on it. Now install. Our St. Paul Parent app is successfully installed. Now, on the search icon, type Google Chrome. It is very important because our school app uses the Google Chrome browser to run the app. So, click Google Chrome and update. You need to have the latest version of Google Chrome. So once update is done, you just go back to the home screen. Now every phone have different settings. So based on your settings, you will have to set the default browser as Google Chrome. Like I told you that our St. Paul Parent app uses the Google Chrome browser. So different phone may have different settings. You all have to go to the settings and make the default browser as Google Chrome. So I will show you how it is done in my phone. Click on settings. Now you need to go to the app section. So I'll click on apps. Now you look for the Google Chrome browser icon. So I have two Chromes here. One is the original one, another is the cloning. So I'll click on the original one. So I'll have to click on browser app. See, so already I have two browsers in my phone. One is Samsung Internet and another is Chrome. So I'll have to select Chrome. Now Chrome is made as my default browser. So go back, and this is how the app is installed. Remember, first you install the school app, then go to the Play Store again, update the Google Chrome, come back to the home screen, go to settings and make the default browser as Google Chrome.